When people think of the electric car revolution, Tesla almost always comes to mind, and for good reason. In 2025, the Tesla lineup with the Model S, Model X, and Model Y still represents some of the most recognizable and game-changing vehicles in the EV market. Each of Tesla cars has its own character, but they share a foundation, cutting-edge electric performance, futuristic tech, and Tesla's signature blend of minimalism and boldness. The story of Tesla cars begins years ago. The Model S first arrived back in 2012, redefining what an electric sedan could be. It wasn't just about efficiency, it proved an EV could be sleek, luxurious, and blisteringly fast. The Model X followed in 2015, a larger SUV with its now iconic Falcon wing door. And then came the Model Y in 2020, a more compact and affordable crossover that quickly became one of Tesla's best-selling models worldwide. Fast forward to 2025, and each of Tesla cars has evolved through constant software updates, battery improvements, and subtle design refreshes to keep them ahead of rivals like the Porsche Taycan, BMW X, Audi Q8 e-tron, and the Mercedes EQS. Design is one of the areas where Tesla takes a different path from traditional automakers. The Model S still carries that low, sporty silhouette with a coupe-like roofline, giving it a timeless look even a decade later. The Model X, being an SUV, is bulkier but still streamlined, with the Falcon wing rear door acting as both a showstopper and a practical solution for tight parking spots. The Model Y is more utilitarian, compact, and clean in its design, designed for mass appeal and practicality. Inside, all three share Tesla's signature minimalist cabin. The dashboard is dominated by a massive touchscreen, 17 inches in the Model S and X, slightly smaller in the Y, that replaces traditional buttons. In 2025, Tesla has refined the interface further, making it smoother, more customizable, and integrated with advanced AI-driven features, giving you a car that almost feels alive. Features are what really set Tesla apart. Autopilot has evolved into a much more capable system, with full self-driving capabilities now being tested and rolled out in more regions. Voice commands, over-the-air software updates, and advanced entertainment options like in-car gaming and streaming have turned Teslas into more than just cars, they're digital hubs on wheels. The Model S and X even come with a rear passenger screen now, keeping entertainment flowing for the whole family. One subtle but important update for 2025 is improved interior quality, with higher-grade materials and sound insulation, addressing earlier criticisms about Tesla's fit and finish. When it comes to performance, Tesla still plays in a league of its own. The Model S Plaid remains the crown jewel, boasting mind-blowing acceleration, 0 to 60 mil per jam in under 2 seconds. That's faster than most hypercars, yet it's a practical four-door sedan. The Model X Plaid offers the same thrill in SUV form, making it one of the quickest family vehicles ever built. The Model Y is not as extreme, but it balances speed, range, and affordability, with its performance variant hitting 0 to 60 in just over 3.5 seconds. Across the lineup, ranges have improved thanks to Tesla's battery advancements, with the Model S reaching over 400 miles on a single charge, while the Model Y averages around 330 to 350 miles. Charging has also become faster, with the latest supercharger V4 network making long-distance travel smoother and more convenient. Pricing remains a big discussion point. The Model S is still the premium sedan, sitting in the $85 to $100 range depending on configuration. The Model X, being larger and more feature-packed, is a bit higher, closer to $95 to $120. The Model Y continues to be the entry point for many, starting around $45, which makes it competitive against other electric crossovers like the Hyundai Ioniq 5, Kia EV6, and Ford Mustang Mach-E. What you're really paying for in any Tesla, though, is not just the car itself but the ecosystem, the supercharger network, the software, and the long-term updates that keep the car improving year after year. The unique selling points of Teslas in 2025 are clear. First, the unmatched acceleration and performance that still leaves competitors scrambling to catch up. Second, the integration of software and hardware in a way no other automaker has fully replicated, making the car feel like it's part vehicle, part high-tech device. Third, the supercharger network, which continues to expand globally and remains one of the most reliable charging infrastructures available. And finally, the brand identity. Driving a Tesla is not just about owning a car, it's about being part of a movement that reshaped the automotive industry. Comparing them directly to rivals, cars like the Porsche Taycan and Mercedes EQS may beat Tesla on luxury finishes and traditional craftsmanship, but they often fall short in range and charging convenience. The Ford Mustang Mach-E and Hyundai Ioniq 5 are strong contenders for affordability and design, but they don't deliver the same software ecosystem or cutting-edge acceleration. In many ways, Tesla still sets the benchmark, though the competition is catching up. By 2025, Tesla's Model S, X, and Y have matured. They've proven themselves as not just as trendsetters but as long-term players in the automotive landscape. Whether you're looking for the ultimate performance sedan, a family-friendly SUV with outrageous speed, or a practical and affordable crossover that still feels futuristic, Tesla has you covered. And while the EV world is more crowded now than ever, Tesla's combination of technology, performance, and brand appeal ensures that the S, X, and Y continue to be the reference point for what an electric car should be. Would you like me to create 3 separate full-length scripts, one dedicated to each Model S, X, and Y, or keep them combined like this review of the whole lineup?